The First Alert Plug-In Carbon Monoxide Alarm with Battery Backup Twin Bundle comes with 2 carbon monoxide alarms to protect you from deadly threats in the home. This plug-in alarm comes with a 9-volt battery backup, keeping you safe even in the event of a power outage. The Electrochemical Sensor in the CO Alarm is the most accurate technology available for detecting carbon monoxide. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to ensure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with the plug-in design, and no additional wiring is required. The First Alert CO605 bundle comes with a 7-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.